when I think back on my career, I certainly like stressed out a lot about doing a good job, right? I worked really hard, was always, focused on just doing whatever was asked of me. And I'm really, happy with how everything's turned out. I think that there's always an element of kind of luck in, everyone's careers, right? And ending up in the right place. Like, if I'd ended up, who knows, like, lots of people who graduated in 2008 got fired very quickly, right? For no fault of their own. And I was fortunate to end up in a group, in a place that, was supportive of me and that worked out. And so, it would have been nice if I could have like told my younger self to like maybe relax a little bit more. But I think, that sort of
I have a lot more grays than you do, so don't feel bad. I have like a full on gray beard.